Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a BMW M3. Begin by lightly sketching the car's basic outline. Focus on establishing the correct wheelbase and overall height to ensure accurate proportions. Think of it as building a foundation. Use simple geometric shapes like rectangles and ovals to block out the main body, wheels, and cabin. This initial step is crucial for a well-proportioned final drawing. Now, let's add some of the M3's signature features. Carefully define the iconic BMW kidney grille and the sleek headlight shapes. Next, sketch in the distinctive M3 side vents and the rearview mirrors. Don't forget to outline the prominent wheel arches and the main door lines. These details really start to bring the car to life and give it its unique character. With the main features in place, it's time to refine the details. Smooth out the body lines, adding subtle curves and contours to give the car a dynamic feel. Pay close attention to drawing the wheels, including the intricate rim designs and the tire treads. Then, add smaller elements such as the door handles, window trim, and any visible badges. These fine touches enhance realism. Finally, let's bring your M3 drawing to life with shading and finishing touches. Apply shading to create depth and dimension, paying attention to light sources. Use darker lines to emphasize key features and create strong contrast. Add subtle highlights to suggest reflections on the car's sleek surface. This final stage truly makes your drawing pop and gives it a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.